Alright, today I'm going to be making a mask because these things have been made mandatory to wear at work. You need to make one that's a little more comfortable. And this is how you get started. Now take any fabric you have laying around the house. I have this leftover fabric from another project I was working on. And you measure out the length that you would want. Length I usually cut out piece size of printing paper and then line it up. Alright, I got my paper length cut out. Got your cloth. Turn about a 1/2 inch. Use an iron to iron it down. Make it good and sturdy. And then simply sew a straight line. Now that you have your two lines, tie each corner. Now to make it more comfortable and more flexible, we'll go in here in the room and iron it into an accordion type movement. Now we're going to do 3 folds into the accordion type. First fold, we'll iron down. Second fold, iron again. And third fold, iron the third one. Okay, so this is how the ironing turned out into like accordion. Such as this cheap one they gave me at work. It's very itchy and uncomfortable. Then we're going to take it and sew down the sides. We're going to snip off the ends and tie all 4 corners. Now to make the end wires, we'll simply detach these ones and I'll show you how to fold and sew these. Alright, to make room for the string to come through, we're going to make a nice even fold. Take it in here and iron down so it'll be a lot easier to sew a straight line. Now simply fold and iron both sides. Now that we've got it ironed down, we're going to start sewing from about here to leave the hole through to run the wires through. Take a safety pin and attach it to one of the cords, and I've left enough room to run this pin through the mask. Comes out the other side. And you'll do the same on the second side. Safety pin. And simply run it through the hole that you've left enough room for when you sew the second line. Now we've got both through. Tie your two ends together at the very tip. Make a double knot. Now I've run both knots through. You won't be able to see where I've tied it off. And here we got our mask. A lot more comfortable than the ones they give us. And with the accordion folds, it's good move, make comfortable. Now you can fold it different ways depending on the size of your face. So good luck on making your own.